Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Another day starts with you beautiful people and these mesmerizing roads. Sorry I did not upload this video earlier as I was busy with some work and travel too. Aditi and I got back from Bali a couple of months back and we have some exciting videos that we shot there that we will be releasing soon. Okay, so back to this video. In this video, we are traveling from Leh City to Pangong Lake, which is approximately 225 kilometers. In this leg of the journey, we decided to take a taxi because we were really tired from the ride to Leh. But Shrikant and Vivek had only 2 days more in Leh, so they decided to keep going on their motorcycles. We started early in the morning, approximately 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, between that, I don't remember, but it's somewhere between that, and there was a lot of traffic to get to the highway itself, and you will see the kind of traffic we are going through. So sit back and enjoy this journey from Leh City to Pangong and back to Leh City. The taxi driver was kind enough to let me put my GoPro mount on his mirror, so I got some good footage from connecting the GoPro on the mirror of the taxi. So hope you guys enjoy that angle too. This is Chang La Pass, which is approximately at 7,600 feet from sea level. This is the only pass that you will be crossing when you are going towards Pangong. It's typically always snowing up here, so we decided to just take a quick stop, click some pictures and keep moving ahead. There is also a cafe that you can go in and enjoy some breakfast, tea, whatever you might like, and spend some time there. But again, I highly recommend not spending too much time here, 30 minutes on the tops, and keep moving ahead so that you do not face any lack of oxygen. As we started descending from Chang La Pass, the snowfall was getting heavier, so it was getting really cold in the car itself. So I can imagine what a tough ride it was for Shrikant and Vivek. As it's snowing, obviously it gets difficult to ride the motorcycle because the traction of the tires is extremely low at this point because there's water, gravel as well as snow that you have to deal with, and obviously the riding conditions are also harsh. We decided to stop and grab some hot tea and Maggie. Having hot beverages in conditions like this is simply amazing. So obviously it's a good refreshing break as well as it keeps you going really. Vivek accidentally kept the lights of the motorcycle running, and obviously, as you guys know, in low temperature the battery of the bike dies faster. So we took some time to kind of get the bike started again, but we in the end got it running and continued with our journey towards Pangong. As you can see, the terrain keeps changing and the climate also keeps changing every 30 to 40 kilometers. Now you see we have clear skies, no snow, so beautiful, and we will be stopping for lunch soon because it's approximately 1 o'clock right now and everyone is kind of hungry.
ठीक है ना, पता करके देखेंगे तो ले में और टाइम पास करें.
So we finally made it to Pangong. This point is called the Three Idiots point. This is where the shooting for the movie Three Idiots took place, obviously. And this is the entry point for Pangong Lake. It's very touristy and populated and dirty also because of that. So I highly recommend going a few kilometers ahead of this point to really enjoy the beauty of Pangong Lake.
Don't fuck around. Good.
So these are the cabins that we stayed in. They were definitely more comfortable and warmer than the tents that we've been staying in so far.
West side. With the fucking.
So we spent the day in Pangong, hung out, had some fun. We left for Leh the next morning. Shrikant woke up early in the morning to get a good time lapse, which you will be seeing right now.
Gets hectic inside of me when you go. Oh, oh, oh. Can I confess these things to you? Well, I don't know. Oh, oh, oh. Embedded in my chest and it hurts to hold. Oh, oh.
On our way back to Leh city, Shrikant and Vivek got stuck in a traffic jam, which was because of an army convoy passing by. So obviously Shrikant decided to do something that he does often and went and took a shortcut through some tricky terrain that you're seeing right now. And they got out of the convoy mess and made it ahead in time. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be soon uploading the last video of this series. and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
white lies.